Most men don't desire a big girl. Most men don't desire a girl who, oh, you're gonna love me. You're gonna wanna hug me and squeeze me. Hey everybody, it's Lauren Tyler, and tonight I'm drunk. Okay, I'm not drunk yet. The purpose of the video is to do my makeup drunk. Wait, so I am drinking Douce tonight, y'all. I really wanted to drink like Jack Daniels or something cheap, but I was like, oh my god. So I spent $30 on this. I'm just gonna do my signature look, my regular, my everyday makeup look. Woo! I have been at work all day. I got to the salon at like 9 something. And then I went to my other job. I was at the salon all the way until 6. And then I went to my hourly job. So I look a mess. I look like a homeless man. To start my look, I am about to do my eyebrows with some e.l.f. Damn it, I forgot I lost that earlier. I'm about to use this cream eyeliner pomade from Lovely Glam by Gabby. It's very reminiscent to the e.l.f. one, except it's local. These are my personal brushes that I'm using on my face. However, a lot of the product that I'm using is in my professional kit. So I'm just bullying my eyebrows. And then I'm getting some of this. It's kind of dry now because I've had it for a while. I have to come here when I have time, or like this when nobody's here, and it's very rare that I don't have my daughter at this time. Shit. It's very rare that I don't have her at this time, so it's very rare that I don't have her at this time.
What is that?
It's a headband. So I don't really come here this late. This is not an educational purpose. I do like to teach sometimes, but I just like to be myself. That's why I like to get in front of the camera, because I like to show the world myself. I mean, that came out. My concealer, I'm using this Milani Conceal & Perfect in the shades 155 and 180. And the brush that I'm using is just a regular brush from BH Cosmetics. It's kind of dirty, but like I said, these are my personal brushes, so mind the business that pays you. Changing my brand to just doing natural looks, or not even natural, neutral looks, and not even focusing on a cut crease or whatever. But it's really fun to watch other girls do it. I promise I was talking about makeup. And I do
have a lot of favorite Instagram makeup artists, YouTube makeup. But my brand, I think I kind of just want to stick to.
This is just a fluffy eyeshadow brush. I don't even know what I was about to say. Oh, I was gonna do a smoky eye, but then I was like, my outfit don't seem smoky eye-ish.
I don't know, I might. And I'm wearing a hat, so I don't know. Might be kind of dumb to do a smoky.
This is so I feel the buzz and I'm trying to act normal and I keep saying dumb stuff. Actually, I want it to be like the normal girls the normal girls on YouTube who be getting out here all professional, but I don't feel the need. I'd rather be myself.
So I'd rather get on YouTube or Instagram or anything and just be myself. You know, they're like, okay guys, now we're gonna put the concealer on the top and the bottom.
I'm sorry. Blurt that out. Some people they don't want to be like that on the internet, and they don't want to be like that on the internet, and that's fine. They don't want their mamas and their grandmas to be seeing them be extra. And that's what I be having to tell myself, like, just because you annoying don't mean everybody got to be annoying. And it's okay. It don't matter how a person presents themselves on the internet. How they are as a person is really what's important. How you are as a person is how I'm going to judge your character. Priming my face with NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer. And I usually only put a little bit on the areas that usually get oily. At this point in time, I do not have control over my hand. I don't know what's going on. It's weird. And the hater might watch the videos. You try too hard, bitch. This is my personality. This is how I act. Who I'm supposed to act like? Is that a spider web? I keep my lashes that I'm wearing for the week in my glasses case. It's Juicy Couture and it's cute as hell. I got like 3 pairs in here. I'm just gonna wear this pair. I don't know. Like, I feel like I need to catch up with my subscribers and stuff. Because why not? Because when I be chilling, I be seeing that, okay, you got new subscribers and stuff. And I be like, so maybe I should be adding stuff and saying stuff. I sound dumb as hell.
Oh well.
So, it got stuck in my nose, or it was coming out my nose, so I had to hurry up and spit it out. I don't know how to explain it, but I had to spit it out.
My face has been so funny, and I don't know what is my shade. So, I'm about to just shop around in my foundation collection. Maybelline Fit Me, like Smashbox. That's my favorite foundation for myself. But I ran out. You really have to be in a good position in your life to be able to afford $30 foundation. And I ain't there. So the brush that I use to blend my foundation is a Royal and Langnickel brush. Funny story. I got it at Walmart in my stealing days. Don't you judge me. Everybody has stealing days.
No, seriously, I really was just like, oh my god, I really want this at the time. I ain't had the money for it.
Or I probably did have the money. Funniest shit ever, bro. I had just got off of work one time. So anyway, I had the money. That's the funny part about it. We at the Dollar General, or my auntie that I call my mom. She was outside with my baby. I'm in the store getting stuff. I'm getting the stuff. She ring up the stuff. I pay for the stuff that I intentionally want to pay for. Just for me to walk out the door and the buzzer went off. That's how you know you don't know how to steal. Like, Brett, give it a rest. You're not a thief. The cashier girl was like, oh, I'm sorry. I must have forgot to take the buzzer off or something. I'm like, yeah, that must be. The whole time I'm like, damn, this deodorant in my pocket damn near got a security sticker on it. I get back up to the counter. She checking shit. I'm like, wow, I don't know what it could be. That's crazy. She was like, wow, I'm sorry. Well, let me get my manager over here. I said, manager? This is between you and me and that buzzer, because it must not work. So she was like, I'm sorry. This me. I forgot I had the deodorant in my pocket, girl. Just here, scan it. Let me pay for it. That was her face when she was looking at me like, okay, bitch, you really think I'm stupid? And I'm looking at her. And she looking at me. She was like, really? And I was like, what? She's like, you tried to steal it? I'm like, huh? You think I tried to steal some deodorant? Whole time, I got hundreds of dollars in my pocket because I had a long day at work today. I said, wow, you really think I tried to steal some deodorant? So the manager finally came because she had called them earlier because the buzzers had went off. He was a little gay guy. She tried to steal deodorant. What should I do? She tried to steal it. Call the police. This is me. You gonna call the police over some deodorant? Can I just pay for it? No, because you tried to steal it. Just call the police on her. All right, I'll call the police. Y'all petty as fuck. Like, I can really pay for it. I just forgot it was in my pocket. If y'all not gonna let me pay for it, then fuck y'all. I get in the car with my auntie, because she the one who was sitting in the car with my daughter. I told her the truth. So I was like, man, I was about to steal this deodorant because I didn't want to pay for it. She, like, auntie is in her 60s. She like, girl, you gonna miss your blessings trying to take them people's stuff. And I was just like, just hurry up and go because the police gonna come. I don't know much. I don't have a record. I don't want one. But that day, I didn't want to pay for my deodorant. So, funny story for y'all. Tell it to your grandkids. I'm using the same concealer combination I used on my eyebrows to highlight up under my eyes. This is my favorite Maybelline shade because you can put it on
everybody, bruh.
If you brown skin, I bet you I can make 355 match you. As soon as I highlight and contour a brown skin girl, 355 is her perfect shade. I don't know what's going on. But I'm going to take a little bit more of this lighter concealer because I feel like my under eyes are not highlighted enough.
My clients are well, no, my clients won't be surprised when they see this video. Most of my clients are legit dope. They be funny as heck, just like me. So you be having so much fun, so they probably gonna see this like, that's boring.
Other people probably gonna be like, look at her acting like that on social media. That's why I don't go to her now. Not ghetto at all. Oh, I don't like the ghetto. Kiss my ass and then go to hell. Here I am thinking everybody rock with me heavy. As soon as I started growing, thanks God for removing them bitter ass in my life, so I can feel myself getting drunker and drunker as I'm doing my makeup, and I'm so glad because all day while I was working, I was like, tonight is the night. I'm getting drunk, I'm getting drunk, I'm getting drunk. So now I'm using a black opal foundation stick. Oh. The shade is Carib, I don't know.
Ladies and my ladies who want a dewy have in my kit that is high end. I got some stuff that costs a little bit of change. But honestly, when you are a makeup artist,
I don't care if I'm using stuff from Dollar Tree. Do you know how long I have been perfecting my craft?
how many risks I've taken to perfect my craft? And you think I'm about to charge start? And then I'm going to get you because, yeah. But like, I'm not explaining nothing to nobody. I don't have to explain to you this, that, and the other, and it's woo-woo-woo.
I don't have the time to beef with anybody. I don't have the time to dislike anybody. I'm about to be 100% honest with y'all right now, not just because I'm drunk. This is some real shit. I was born with enemy, okay? Listen to what the I'm saying.
Please, there's so many people that pretend to know me, man, and they don't think I hear what they say about me, but it's some people that I was really close to, and I know some stuff that people probably don't know, and it's never gonna leave my mouth because
Contour. Inexpensive product here. Get you soon. I'm gonna use the bronze and the contour shade in that palette to set everywhere that I contoured. For whatever reason, the Lord spoke to me. He told me to use this palette He told me to use this palette as blush color. Right here is what I'm gonna. Oh, right here. Now I'm using a fluffy. Oh, now I'm using a fluffy M441 brush. I think. I know my shit.
literally, that's why I'm using. It's not really a contour brush, it's just, it happens to be clean. Anyway.
This is just some advice and not just for a certain type of girl. Ain't nothing else to it. You have to know you're this shit. No matter what nobody else says, no matter who doesn't like you, no matter who doesn't come to you for your services. When you feel that way about yourself, it starts to manifest. Your tongue is the most powerful, woo, this buzz is getting to me. It's the most powerful muscle in your body. I'm the shit. I'm good at this. I'm good at that. I'm good at this. I'm going to attract this. I will attract this. I am blessed. I am worth it. I am worthy. This is not just me being drunk. This is serious. I'm about to cry because I'm drunk. Not even personally, but being insecurities that I face. Personal problems with my family that I've been through, but period, like as a woman, like I've been through. And I'm so blessed to have a daughter because I think God did that on purpose because he knew that I can teach. Like, I'm serious. You have to love you. I feel like I sound drunk, and the only reason why I'm so passionate about it is because, whoo, I'm really crying. The only reason why I'm so passionate about it is because I remember being like, I'm not that pretty. I'm not that talented. What am I gonna give to the world? I don't have anything to give to the world. What am I gonna do? Most men don't desire a big girl. Most men don't desire a girl whose hair ain't past her butt. Who's herself. And I tell myself, girl, that. Mentally, I fight every day to keep going. And there's so many people that talk about me, whether I'm close to them or not. She don't do this. She lazy. You don't know what the next person is going through. Woo. So the next step is gonna be my highlighter. So for my highlighter, another small brush I got from BH Cosmetics. They sent me this Wet n Wild highlighter to highlight with. This is what the top looks like.
In between my brows, in between my lashes, and on top of my cheeks.
I really want to share myself with the world, and I don't care. I know a lot of backlash is gonna come from it. And that's okay. And I'm not even a crier when I drink. That's the crazy part. I'm just talking about some shit that's really triggering me. My favorite red lipstick is this Wet n Wild liquid cat suit, and the color is Missy and Fierce. Have it always been named that? This is for my professional kit, so I'm putting it on the back of my hand like a real sanitized professional. So I'm done, y'all. This is a complete look. I'm not gonna bother with setting spray because I ran out. It happened. I'm drunk. I'm really nervous about uploading this video, y'all, because it was really raw. Thank y'all so much for y'all loyalty. Thank y'all for, I'm drunk. Thank y'all for still subscribing to me, and I haven't even been online like that. I know the commentators, they don't miss a beat. I see that my eye is lazy, and I think it's because I haven't been taking my medicine.